Hey, hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial of HTML, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add an image into your web page. What is image? In HTML, the image tag is used to display images on a web page. It is a self-closing tag, meaning it doesn't require a closing tag. Let's see the syntax of this. This is the syntax of adding image. src means source, specifies the path to the image file. alt mean alternative text, provide the text description if the image fails to load. And title, display a tooltip when you bring your mouse over the image. Let's see it. I wanna add an image. The first I wanna write the image tag. After that I wanna write the source src, enter, and after that I have to specify the image name. And let's close the tag. Let's save it, and now let's refresh our web page. Yes, this is the image that I want. Let's add a title for this. This is the title, and when the user brings his mouse over the image, the title will be appear. Look, hey, I am a SpongeBob. And I want to write something else. If you want to choose height and width for your image, you can write it like this: height. For example, I want to write it 50, width, and it is for pixel. Remember this. Let's save it and refresh our page. Look, this is the height and width becomes 50. And when we want to display our image, the one syntax was about the same folder when the image exists at the same folder, and another syntax when the image exists in different folder, and another syntax is the when you want to load an image from URL. And thanks for your attention guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll see you at the next video. Goodbye.